Well, it's actually pretty good news this morning. If you want to see some housing work get picked up, at least housing starts up 1.9% during the month of October to a 1,372,000 annual rate. Building permits rise as well, 1.1% to a 1,487,000 rate. Both of those significantly higher than the prior month. The building permits number was negative 4.4 last month. So it does show that there is some work being done in private construction, in housing construction, and despite interest rates, builders are still putting holes in the ground.
Are they rich men's and rich women's statistics? Are we looking at housing now as only the province of the haves?
Not exactly. I mean, the big market is for first-time home buyers. And so what you're seeing is a lot of the builders cutting back on amenities in the houses, making the houses a little bit smaller so that they can bring down the cost. It's still very expensive for people to buy homes, and obviously home sales have not been extraordinary, but new home sales have been better than existing home sales because there is some inventory, and what we've been seeing is prices sort of flatten out for new home sales as prices are, as builders try to hold the line.
When does the mortgage rate on a nonlinear fashion coming from 8.03, I'll say, into now it's down nicely to 7.69, at what mortgage rate in your head does the animal spirit of housing rekindle?
I've asked a lot of Fed people that, and they don't really know.
We don't know.
This is a kind of a unique situation, but they're hoping maybe you get to something like 3.5%, 4%, which is going to take a lot of Fed funds cutting to get to that point where it might spur people to go back into the markets. There's going to be pent-up demand for housing and people who have to move because they're getting transferred or whatever. So some of the shelter-in-place psychology will go away. It just depends on at what point you can afford it.